Let's add Stripe to this website. So I'm going to keep things simple. I want one page on this website where users have to pay to access the content. No need for add to cart, no e-commerce. So let's start with the prompt. Bolt should recognize via that prompt what I want to do. So in the background, we'll start setting up all the Stripe necessary features and functions. First thing I need to do is pop over to Stripe and grab an API key. Let's do that now. Make sure in developer section here, come along, create secret key. Out of these two options, we want building our own integration, create the key. It's good old Stripe security, just have to verify that. So I've done it. So give your key a name. Bolt test will do for now. Create the key, copy the key, go back into the build. So here, add the key, paste it in. It detects and will retrieve all of the products I already have live in my Stripe account. So I do have a test one here, so I'll use that. Apply that. Bolt is now going to go ahead and create all the pages. There will be a few minutes here, so I'm going to pause the recording and we'll come back in a sec. Okay, it's gone through everything. It's built quite a few pages there actually. Everything looks in order. It's confirming what's been done. There's authentication set up. The Stripe integration is there. It's created two edge functions. It's created the database schema, all the components. The next thing I need to do is to create a database. So let me do that now. Connect here, create a new database. Password, let Bolt generate that. Click go. Now this will take some time to build as well, so I'll pause and we'll come back. Okay, that's finished. It took a few minutes there and I've applied the schema which went in. So now let's open it up in a separate tab. Let's connect to the preview. We'll have to log in again, sign in. So sign up, sign in with the same credentials. Okay, so go back to products, buy now. Here we go. So this is taking me to the Stripe payment page. I'll enter in my details here. Let me do that now. Don't want you to see my credit card. So yeah, I entered my credit card details, hit go, there's a few second delay, and it's pumped me back to this screen here saying that my payment is successful. And there we go. There's the unknown product I just bought for $1. Everything's worked. We very quickly integrated Stripe to our product. I can see here there's a new icon. I can sync now. I can see what keys I have live, any products I have, and I can dive into the dashboard. Exactly the same for Supabase now. Here's the database, diving into Supabase here. But that's as easy and as simple as it gets. With a couple of prompts and probably 10 minutes of wait time, we've got Supabase integrated, connected, tables created. We've got Stripe connected, a product live, everything's syncing, everything's working. We've got logins, registration, login, everything. That's unbelievable, and 10 minutes work.